Muranga jo nyutu NIGO aikiri omuswada bosibwe bunge ye senator oyo orengete kuchigokonya Aborokigwa Bw'Okonyora maigeri yoko Bw'Obwarimu ase college echikorwa maigeri y'Obwarimu omuswada oyo NIGO orenekerenga gyo KOENEKIA buna Aborokigwa Bw'Okonyora bari CHIBESA wetera higher education funding model buna Aborokigwa bande bechi university.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I beg to move this motion that says or about the inclusion of teacher training college students in the higher education funding model, Mr. Speaker. Aware that the Constitution of Kenya under Article 43(1)(f) guarantees every citizen the right to education, and Article 53(1)(b) provides that basic education is free and compulsory. Further, aware that the government of Kenya launched the new education funding model in 2023, primarily targeting university and tertiary and vocational education and training TVET students, leaving a significant gap in the financial support for students in diploma and certificate teacher training colleges, TTCs. Concerned that students enrolled in public teacher training colleges are discriminated against and not expressly and fully provided for under the prevailing higher education financing framework, thereby limiting or excluding their access to structured government support for tuition and accommodation. Cognizant that the transition to the competency-based curriculum, CBC, requires a highly skilled teaching workforce, and that the financial burden on teacher trainees, many of whom come from marginalized backgrounds, threatens the sustainability of the teacher supply chain. Now, therefore, Mr. Speaker, the Senate urges the Ministry of Education, in conjunction with the Higher Education Loans Board, HELB, and the Universities Fund, UF, to one, formally integrate teacher training college students into the new funding model to ensure equity, quality, and inclusivity in the education sector, and two, develops regulations and guidelines to define the eligibility criteria for teacher training college students, covering tuition and reasonable accommodation and upkeep costs. Mr. Speaker, as the motion clearly states, we have had problems with teacher training colleges over time because they have not been included in the regulations governing access of funds from either HELB, that is Higher Education Loans Board, or University Fund, Mr. Speaker, that is UF. And Mr. Speaker, this also being tertiary education, we have identified that there is a gap, that the others, in fact, including students in technical training institutes, are able to access funding by government, Mr. Speaker, sometimes sponsorship and even loans by Higher Education Loans Board.
Se okubwatia mayasi nchero yubwe